In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a fun project, adding a bit of flair to professional documents, or just wanting to enhance communication with some expressive symbols, adding emojis can be a great way to do it. It's quite simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can seamlessly integrate these little icons into your documents. First things first, open up your web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you've found it, click on the link and log in with your Google account credentials. If you're not already signed in, you may need to enter your email address and password, so have those handy. After logging in, open the existing document you'd like to work on, or you can create a new one if you'd prefer. Once you have your document in front of you, decide on the spot where you want to add your emoji. Move your cursor to that perfect position, then you're ready to bring some personality to your text. One of the quickest ways to do this is by typing the @ symbol, that's @ followed by the word emoji, and then pressing enter. This will magically open up the emoji picker. From here, you can search for and select the emoji that fits your needs. If you're using a Windows computer, there's another neat trick you can use to insert emojis. Just press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This will bring up the Windows emoji panel. Once it's opened, simply click on the emoji you want and it will be inserted into your document. Now, if you prefer using menus, Google Docs has you covered. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. You'll see a list of options, and one of them is Special Characters. Select this option. In the dialog that appears, you'll find a drop-down menu. Select Emoji, and you'll see a wide array of emojis to choose from. Click on the one you'd like to use, and it will be added directly to your document. So, there you have it. Multiple easy ways to insert emojis into your Google Docs, making any document more engaging and fun. Experiment with these methods and find which one suits you best. By adding emojis, you can express emotions and ideas in a visual way, enhancing communication and making your work a little more lively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you bring a bit more personality into your documents.